This is our new MXM series of holders. I'm really excited about this one because it brings some tremendous flexibility and capability to our product line. This is the first product we have brought out that handles basically the complete line of megas and midis from 32 volt to 120 volt, all in M6 and M8 format. So with only 7 components, an M6 base, an M8 base, a cover that's common between the two, and 4 bus bars, we can make hundreds, literally hundreds of different arrays of products here to mix and match different fuse types and fuses. You can see the neat thing about this is that this is the M6 version. We can fit 4 different lengths of fuses. So all the way out like this, it fits an M6 70 volt and 120 volt mega. One snap in, it fits the M6 32 volt and 70 volt mega. One additional snap in, it fits the 70 volt and 120 volt midis, this being a 36 millimeter footprint. And one more snap in, it fits the 31 millimeter 32 volt midis. So this one M6 holder can fit 32 volt, 70 volt, 120 volt midis, 32 volt, 70 volt, and 120 volt megas. So lots of flexibility. From there, we add in cover. And you'll notice the cover is keyed. It only goes in one way. And you'll also notice it has an opening to clear a bus bar. So it's built in, and there's one particular way it goes together. Snaps in, snaps off. And then you can take these, and they literally dovetail together just like that. I'm not going to do it because when you snap them in, they're hard to get apart, which is kind of the idea. But they slide together like this, and then all of these have a common point over here that is designed for a bus bar. So we have one bus bar now that fits both M6 and M8 fuses. Previously with the MegaFlex series, we had separate bus bars for the M6 and the M8, but now we have one set of bus bars that fits all those fuses. So you can mix and match mega and MIDI fuses in an array such as this. You'll notice here we've got 2 megas, one M6, one M8, and then we have our M6 70 volt MIDI right here. Again, this is the 70 volt, this is the 70 volt. All 3 of these are 70 volt fuses. But what we've done here is by doing it this way, we get some poke yoke, because this M6 is next to this M6, but it's a little more obvious that there's a difference between that and that. Again, it helps with assemblies. Also, our distribution channel can make custom versions of these things for customers. They can put them preloaded with fuses and deliver them complete to a customer. So all they have to do is drop it in their vehicle, screw it down, and hook up the wires. Great way to do it. Lots of options here for our customers to be able to buy semi-custom products that don't really require any tooling, anything special. They just put them together in a special way. You can even begin to take, for instance, 2 of these 3-way arrays can be put together. For instance, if you have switched and unswitched loads, or if you have 48 and 12 volt loads. So you can have a 6-way array with 2 separate 3-way bus bars, and you have a complete product for 2 different things. We can go up to 5 fuse arrays with 1 bus bar. And again, you can then add on a second bus bar if you wanted to and have an even bigger array. But there's a lot of flexibility here, a lot of customizability. You can do a whole series of different products for customers without any kind of tooling or anything special. It's just mix and match Tinker Toys. This product gives us a lot, as I said, flexibility is the name of the game here. It gives us all kinds of different options to do semi-custom products for customers and deliver value to customers because it shows up on their door ready to put in their vehicle.
To learn more about our fuse holders, please visit our website or contact us today.